Hello and welcome. It's Annelie van Rensburg and I'm going to show you another technique that I do on my frames. This time I'm going to use black acrylic paint at the back, like a wash. And then I'm going to put maybe a lightish green, yellow, white on top of it as soon as it's dry with a dry brush technique. So I'm just going to paint it black, and then I'm going to use a sponge, black acrylic paint, and then let it dry, so you can just sit back and relax. So I'm going to leave it now until it's dried, and then I'll come back and do a dry brush technique on top of this. Okay, it's dry now, so I'm going to do a wash of my grey over this. Okay, so there you go. I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna stencil on top of this, so it can just dry quickly, and then I'll be back. Okay, this is I've painted it grey now, it's dry, so I'm gonna put some texture paste on. I'm gonna use this bird in the corner and some of these for the corners and on top. So my frame is from this to this 36, so I'm going to divide it. It's 18. I'm going to just make myself a mark there that I can do it in the middle, and then I'm going to use my texture paste with a palette knife and the stencils. So I think this one I like this one a lot, but this is going off there, so I think I'm going to put this one in the middle. I'm just going to line it up with my mark there. Just make sure it's not off the frame. It can rather go off at the bottom than on top, I think. So I'm going to just grab my texture paste, and I'm just going to put some on there. I think I'm going to use these corners on the sides there. So I'm just going to eyeball it. Just be careful because some of these things are wet now. Just see around about there. And then I'm going to put this one here. So I think I'm going to do this one first because I'm scared I'm going to, when I work there, it's, you know, it's in the bottom here, so I'm just going to put just lift it up. I dried it off with a hairdryer. It's still a little bit tacky, but it's okay. I can work on it now. So I'm going to position this one there, and I'm going to put my texture paste onto this one. Just pick it up. I think I'm going to do the same this side. I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not worried too much. And then I don't know what I'm going to do here. I don't know if I must repeat this one, or maybe put a longer one there, or this one, or maybe this one. I think I'm gonna leave it as is. Not put this one on because I'm not sure if it's going to be overdone. I haven't got something that fits in nicely here, but I'm just gonna take something that I've got and just put it in and just see how it looks. Okay, I think I'm not gonna put something there for now. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm just gonna, if this is dry, I'm just gonna give it a matte coat of varnish, and that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do anything else. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, I would love if you would subscribe and hit that bell that you can get future uploads for my next videos. If there's something that you want me to try out or do, I will be more than willing to do that if I've got all the right stuff that I need. So if you enjoyed this, I'm very glad. You can comment in the comment section if you like, and you must have a lovely day. See you next time.